Hi friends, today's video is on bleaching. So here I am using Oxylife bleach and a plastic bowl. Guys, never use a metal bowl for mixing bleach as bleach reacts with metal. So here I am opening the box of Oxy bleach. That is the cream and activator. Now first we have to take a little quantity of cream into a bowl, as I am not going to use it on my neck, only on my face. And now I am adding a little quantity of activator. I have added 2 pinches. Now all we have to do is mix it very nicely, as the activator should melt in with this cream. So take your time and mix. So after mixing, here I am applying the leftover bleach from the spatula, and with the brush now let's apply the bleach. Why with the brush? Because the quantity will be even on every part of the face. Now keep it for 10 minutes. Here I am mixing the bleach on my face. You can anytime mix the bleach whenever you are feeling any itch on any part of your face. Now this looks like a tablet and bowl. But guys, it was amazing. Just putting the tablet in this bowl and adding a little water, it just becomes a tissue. Here I am checking if the bleach is done or not. It is done. With this soft tissue, let's clean the bleach from the face and then wash your face with normal water. Friends, never use soap after bleaching. So this is the result: clear and bright face. Guys, you can use soap and shampooing only the next day. And if you like the video, do like and subscribe. Bye.